What's the meaning of cottage cheese? Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese.
Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is a type of fresh cheese with a mild flavor and a crumbly texture that resembles the curds found in homemade cheese. It is made by draining the whey from curdled milk, leaving behind the curds, which are then mixed with cream to give it a creamier texture. Cottage cheese is relatively low in fat and calories, which makes it a popular choice for people looking to lose weight or maintain a healthy diet. It can be eaten alone or used as an ingredient in salads, dips, and other dishes.